Y'all know I'm silly. Welcome back to my channel. Yeah, now. And today is going to be another DIY braid tutorial for beginners. Now I'm building up to some, so stay with me. Stay with me. I'm building up. I'm going to show you how to do all of the different braids first. Okay. So this tutorial is going to be on the classic #1 three-strand braid. Okay. So, as always, I always say start with clean hair. And the reason why you want to start with clean hair, when you start using your styling aids, it makes it easier for them to adhere and work for you and do what they're supposed to do when the hair is clean. Because if you already got oil sheen and styling gel from a week ago, you had started with styling gel Friday, it's next Friday. You know that styling, you're gonna be all gummy and flaky, and you're gonna look like you got dandruffs and all that, and that just ain't a cute look, sis. So start with clean hair, shampoo, condition. Make sure you use a thermal protectant if you're going to be blow drying the hair afterwards or sitting up under, a dryer. Okay? So, let's get started. So, once again, we're going to always start with our detangle. Hold it. Detangle, starting from the bottom and work your way up. Styling aids that you may need. Foam. Styling gel. Pomade. Oil sheen. Edge control. You'll need at least 2 of those combinations if your hair is already pre-treated. If you're a natural girl, you're going to need all of them. Okay. Most likely, especially if you have a very tight curl pattern. Okay. So this hair is already chemically treated. So we're not going to need all that. At the most, you'll use probably a styling gel if you want to make it extra smooth. And maybe just some sheen. So let's get started. I got the light like right there. Okay. So we detangle. Now we're going to smooth it with a small tooth comb. Now we're just going to comb everything to the back. No need to restrain right now. We're just giving it a general shape. Now. Smoothing. Smoothing. Now, the easiest way that I find for a beginner is to first restrain the hair by putting it in a ponytail after you've smoothed it. Have an elastic. I'm just going to gather it into a ponytail. And if you're having flyaways, once again, you can take care of it now or later. And just smooth it. You got some spritz? Bam. Smooth it. Make sure it's nice and neat. Doesn't have to be perfect, but you do want to make a good effort so it looks as though you tried. Okay? And we're just making a ponytail right here. Everybody knows how to do a ponytail. If not, sis, I can't help you. Alright. So we're just making a ponytail, you know. Nothing hard about that, right? And to avoid breakage, don't make it real tight. You want it steady and stern, but you want to give it, a little bit of movement there. See how there's a little bit of movement between the scalp and the band itself. It's not like right there. It's just got a little bit of wiggle room. Okay, that's about what you want. Now, to do a tongue tied. To do a 3-strand braid, well, first you got to start out with the 3 strands. And you're going to divide the hair up into 3 strands. See if I can get it where you can see there. 1 from the left, 1 from the right, and then you got your friend there in the middle. So you got your 1, 2, 3. Yeah, now. And so we're just going to go from left to right. Take left to the left, right to the right. Take the middle to the middle. Left to the left, right to the right, middle to the middle. Look, it's probably easier just watching me do it. See that? Lefty, righty, then middle to the middle. Lefty, righty, middle to the middle. Let's take that loose and try one more time if you didn't catch it. Detangle. Yeah, now. Little to the left. 1 strand a little to your right. Right strand and her friend in the middle. There you go. Lefty, righty in the middle. Okay. Take left over the middle strand, right, crossing over the middle strand. You got an X. Take that middle strand and bring it in the middle of both strands. Lefty, righty, middle. Lefty, righty, middle. Lefty, righty, middle. Let's try that one more time. Detangle. And this is one of those things that take practice. I learned how to do the 3-strand braid years ago when I was a little girl. And I just practiced on my doll heads. That's all. You take a little from the left. You take a little from the right. And the friend in the middle is just all right. I bet somebody in the comments like, girl, I'm just trying to entertain you, you know, with some knowledge. Okay? Take the one to the left, cross it over the middle. Take the one to the right, cross it over. You still got the guy, this one right here in the middle. Now you're going to take the middle and cross it in between the 2. Righty, lefty, middle. That's the best way I can describe it. Righty, lefty, middle. Okay? This time just watch. I won't make you listen to my elementary song there. 1 strand, strand. The friend in the middle. Left, right. One in the middle, bring them around to the middle. And repeat until you finish all the way to the end. Now you can braid to the very tip, or you can stop right there. Leave a little some on the end. Elastic. Let's fix those flyaways. Spritz. Smooth. Smooth and calm. You know. Nothing fancy. This, once again, can be one of your go-to styles. Going to the gym. Want your hair back out the way, but you want to look like you put forth some effort. Bam. Here you go. And for the flyaways that just won't stay down, hairband. Bam. Okay. Got any flyaways there? Take a comb. Just tuck it in. Or take your fingers. And just tuck them in. And there you have it. A very basic, simple 3-strand braid. And once again, for the end, you can leave it be, or you can curl the end. You can just curl it under, or you can spiral curl it. You know, Shirley Temple curl it. That'll be pretty too. Date night. Boyfriend call you 10 minutes. Hey, I'm finna be outside in 10 minutes. Let's go to the movies. You'll be done in 5 minutes. Actually, less than 5 minutes with this style. And you look like you put forth some effort without taking a whole lot of time. So if you want to see more videos like this one, like, and while you're at it, hit that subscribe hit that subscribe button to this channel. Thank you, and as always, Jesus love you, and I love you too. Mwah. Peace.